It's exciting as the realm of battle is evolving faster than ever before. Just to start, hypersonic jets, autonomous weaponry, and AI-driven systems. Everybody wonders about the future. Therefore, today's video focuses on the top military technologies of 2024 that will transform the course of events. Let us start right now. Number 10, artificial intelligence. As is well known, artificial intelligence is upending military and defense systems. It's improving intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. It's enhancing computational thinking, and it's making autonomous weapon systems more powerful and safer, therefore reducing soldiers' deaths. Leading this artificial intelligence revolution are startups creating systems that cooperate like a team of digital ants to accomplish strategic objectives. Consider Axon Vision specifically. This Israeli company developed Edge 360, an artificial intelligence-based decision-making tool that gives ground vehicles complete situational awareness. With computer vision, it detects names and logs dangers in real time. Custom alerts and straightforward interface enable it to help tactical teams manage threats and problems on the ground. Then there is Rebellion, a US-based company focused on mission-centric artificial intelligence solutions for military and security. Using data and machine learning, they deter risks and drive mission completion. Offering a subscription, their program ensures cyber readiness, enhances battlespace awareness, and facilitates autonomous operations. Its open architecture and simple-to-use APIs also enable its compatibility with existing systems. Coming in at number 9, Internet of Military Things, IoMT. IoMT applications in defense are connecting ships, planes, tanks, drones, soldiers, and bases into one big cohesive network. This connectivity boosts perception, understanding of the field, situational awareness, and response times. Soldiers wear sensing and computing devices that collect various biometric data, forming part of the Internet of Military Things, IoMT. With both static and dynamic data sets, these gadgets offer insightful analysis. Furthermore, the real-time surveillance and environmental monitoring made possible by sensor network deployment in key regions greatly improve security. With its network of communication technologies, the United States is already causing a stir. They provide sensor devices allowing 10 simultaneous transmissions and enabling wireless digital data encryption. Their technology offers scalable and safe communication fit for the battlefield by using embedded artificial intelligence for smart danger identification and resource allocation. Another creative U.S. firm, Geosite, compiles information from several sources for human and machine-based analysis. Their cooperative military technology generates a complete operating picture by aggregating field sensors, IoT, and satellite data. Geosite provides forces with an information advantage by means of robust data visualization and management dashboards, therefore supporting situational awareness, threat tracking, range marking, and target mapping. That's awesome. Number 8, autonomous weapons systems. The primary goal of militaries include force protection, situational awareness enhancement, and soldier workload reduction. Robotics and autonomous systems, RAS, are assisting in the achievement of these goals through the management of terrain, protection of populations, and consolidation of gains. More and more, RAS is crucial to operation success because it lets soldiers move around freely and with little risk. As part of this digital wave, drones make it easier for soldiers to see what's going on in a fight. Self-driving military vehicles and multi-mission robots are essential for jobs like clearing landmines, looking for survivors, getting rid of explosives, and helping with logistics. Robotic exoskeletons also change the game because they make soldiers stronger and more durable for hard work in the field. A very advanced drone called Ghost uses very advanced AI techniques. It is made to help with smart air travel. It is perfect for any kind of work in any setting because it is portable, waterproof, and can hold a lot of weight. Ghost provides real-time monitoring, intelligence, and reconnaissance. therefore providing an ambiguous operational picture to support wise military judgments. Then, Israel Spear produced tactical drones for rapid response. These drones achieve tactical supremacy through computer vision, swarm, computing, and mesh algorithms. Launched from water or land, they have both permanent and movable platforms and can carry up to 1 kilogram. Number 7. Hypersonic and direct energy weapons. Russia and China are developing their hypersonic capabilities, which can strike targets with little notice, so they are a serious threat to world security. But it's about being greener as well as more forceful, using battlefield electrification technologies such as electric propulsion and hydrogen fuels for military aircraft. The defense sector is striving hard to reach net zero emissions. This change is opening the path for military operations with more sustainability. Modern wearable technology with biometric sensors enhances soldiers' situational awareness and combat readiness, allowing them to perform even better on the battlefield. Hermes is an American company creating hypersonic aircraft with Mach 5 capability. Employing a unique turbine-based combined cycle TBCC engine, its quarter-horse jet is meant to fly above 3,000 miles per hour. Military as well as commercial applications for this technology abound, particularly for Air Force operations like intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Now at number 6, advanced surveillance and reconnaissance systems. The potential for catastrophic system failure and the theft of sensitive information makes cyber attacks on military networks a terrifying prospect. These types of attacks have been increasing in frequency and severity over time. The protection of critical infrastructure, nuclear power plants, and other interconnected military assets against cyber attacks is of the utmost importance. Offensive cyber warfare strategies are in development and include malware, ransomware, and phishing assaults. Defense tactics are also benefiting from enhanced intrusion detection systems and firewalls. The security of sensitive military data and the integrity of military operations depend critically on these systems. Endpoint detection and response, EDR products, are what French Harfang Labs does. The technology they use is based on very strong code, which makes it fast and safer. Harfang Labs EDR software helps automatically watch over, find, research, and stop cyber threats. Because it's open, it's easy to connect to other cybersecurity tools. Then there's Cyber Forza, which is a single tool for cyber defense. Their product can protect against both internal and external threats because it can both guard and intercept. It also provides real-time tracking and security against phishing fraud, malware, and distributed denial of services (DDoS) attacks powered by artificial intelligence. Now to number 5, replicable technologies. Immersive technologies are facilitating the development of highly customizable and reusable training experiences, which are particularly useful for aviation and combat training. New businesses are using VR to create STEs, or synthetic training environments, to better prepare soldiers and units. These STEs enhance conventional training methods and task practice. The use of augmented reality, AR technology, allows for more advanced military training. In order to aid ground forces in making better judgments, wearable glasses or augmented reality headsets provide them with real-time mapping information, movement markers, and other crucial data. By providing 3D terrain maps and simulated settings, these immersive technologies also help plan missions by giving a full picture of the task area. GovRed is an American company that helps the military train using virtual reality. They make scenes that run at 90 frames per second using HTC Vive headsets and their own software. Users can move around a 25 square meter area and deal with different situations this way. GovRed's technology includes a full line of battle simulators and gun training systems. Do you believe it? Number 4, advanced swarm technology. In the defense industry, it's important to improve speed, capacity, and fuel economy. One way to do this is to make equipment lighter. In this case, 3D printing is useful. With this technology, parts and components can be made with less material than with older methods. It not only lowers the cost of making things, but it also lets designers try new things. Plus, it allows for localized output on demand, which makes logistics easier. It's also great for coming up with new ways to combine materials to make armor, military clothes that heat themselves, and ammunition. One example is GeoFabrica, a new company in the U.S. that provides mobile production tools for making things where they are needed. Their solutions make it possible for temporary part production, repair, material processing, and assembly to happen on site, even in places that are hard to reach and are far away. The military can make things as needed with expeditionary 3D printers and mobile micro factories, which help them do their jobs better. Number 3, analytical advancement. Armed forces can gain strategic advantages by using big data analytics to find insights in a wide range of data sources. Quantum computing is also making waves, especially in models and cryptanalysis, which helps people make smart choices. An Australian company called QCTRL makes cloud-based software that helps quantum computers work better for defense purposes. Their technology helps figure out how to break codes and find secret bases and weapon systems. Using atomic accelerometers, it even makes quantum-enhanced navigation possible in battles where GPS isn't available. A French company called Delphox is also working on prediction technology. They use deep reinforcement learning to make jobs automatic in difficult situations, such as when many people need to work together. Delphox's goods help unmanned vehicles move and make sure the important information gets to the forces quickly. Coming in at number 2, advanced biotechnology. At this point, military genetic engineering and biotechnology are making fast progress, and many countries are looking into making bioweapons and other improvements for the military. Take a look at some important changes. Gene editing tools like CRISPR are very important, and it is said that countries like North Korea can use them to make bioweapons. This makes me worry about making viruses that can be used as weapons. The U.S. military is working on ways to stop tularemia, which is caused by a bacteria that has been used as a weapon in the past. This is part of a bigger plan to get ready for biological risks that could come from enemies. Concerns have been raised about the Chinese military study of marine toxins that come from algae and can kill. The Pentagon is worried about what China is doing in this area and whether it is following the rules of foreign agreements. Some people are still worried about botulinum and ricin being used as bioweapons. More research is being done on these agents, which could have military uses and defenses. Bacillus anthracis causes anthrax, which is still a big worry as a possible bioweapon. Because biological warfare is still a threat, the U.S. military is working on better ways to treat and prevent anthrax and other special agents. More and more home DNA and RNA synthesizers are becoming available, which makes people worry about how easy it would be for individuals or groups to make biological agents. This is a nightmare. When we talk about fears, our first choice is, number 1, advanced nuclear weapons. The most dangerous military threat in 2024 is thought to be nuclear weapons, especially modern systems like Russia's RS-28 Sarmat, also known as Satan II. This intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, is a big step forward in nuclear power and a major security risk for the whole world. It is said that the RS-28 Sarmat's warhead is 2,000 times stronger than the Hiroshima atomic bomb, which killed about 70,000 people right away. If these rockets hit, they could destroy an area the size of Texas or France. Its ability to hide and sneak up on things make it even more scary. The Sarmat is made to avoid missile defense systems, which makes it hard to stop. It can move around while in the air, which makes it more likely to hit its target. On top of that, the rocket can carry more than one warhead, and each one can hit a different target at the same time. This feature, called MIRVs, multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, makes it even harder for enemies to protect against. The United States is improving its nuclear power by making the B-61-12 bombs and W-88 weapons more accurate and reliable. The country is also spending money on new delivery systems to replace the old Minuteman III ICBMs. These include the Columbia-class subs and ground-based strategic deterrents, GBSD. How do you think these advancements will shape global security? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on defense innovations.